In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Air Canada gift card balance. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Air Canada gift cards page. This is the official area where Air Canada provides information and options related to gift cards. So it's the best place to begin if you want an accurate and up-to-date balance check. Once you're on the page, look for the section labeled Give the Gift of Flight. This is the area that covers Air Canada gift card services. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before moving on, especially if the page has several sections or promotional banners. Next, click on Reload Gift Card. Even though you're checking your balance rather than adding funds, this option takes you to the page where card tools are available. If the site opens in a new page or tab, that's completely normal. After that, look at the top menu and click Check Balance. This will bring you to the balance lookup form. This is the section where you'll enter your card details. So it helps to have your gift card, e-coupon, or travel voucher nearby before continuing. In the first field, enter your gift card, e-coupon, or travel voucher number exactly as it appears. Be careful when typing, since even one incorrect digit can prevent the system from finding your balance. If you copied the number from an email or printed document, double check for extra spaces. Then enter the card PIN in the next field. This PIN is required to verify access to the card balance. Make sure you type it carefully and use the correct PIN associated with that card or voucher. Once those details are entered, complete the reCAPTCHA verification. This is the security step that confirms you're a real user and not an automated bot. Depending on what appears, you may just need to check a box, or you might be asked to complete a quick image challenge. When everything is filled in, click Check Balance. The website should then display the remaining balance for your Air Canada gift card, e-coupon, or travel voucher. If the balance doesn't appear right away, review the number and PIN for any typing errors and try again. It's also a good idea to make sure you're using the official Air Canada gift card page while checking, and that's it. That's how to check your Air Canada gift card balance quickly and securely.